Hey, today we're playing a rip off of my. Oh god, the volume is so high. Oh my god. Today we're playing a rip off of Minecraft. Okay. Hey everybody. I'm gonna ask them to go on Discord. Um. Uh. uh. Okay. Let's see if he wants to go on Discord. I mean this. Okay, I'm just gonna ask him that. I don't know if he wants to expose his voice though. He probably won't because I don't like exposing my voice to inside of other people's YouTube videos. Oh, he actually said sure. Okay. Okay. I'll start the call. Okay guys, I'm gonna actually alright, we're on Discord. Let's start up the call. Hello? Wait. Hello? You are? Yeah? I'm recording right now. Okay. I'm building the iron floor. I mean the floor. Okay. We're. Oh my god. Your avatar looks so stupid. Why is he talking? Okay. You know what? Uh, uh, okay. They're building the floor. Okay. I'm gonna get the wood real quick. Um. We're probably gonna make the. Yeah, we're just gonna make like a. We're gonna use this. Yeah, we're probably gonna use that as okay. Eh, 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 eh. Okay. Um. Uh, we're building a house. What are we building? Mansion. Uh, uh, let's go more down to the. Okay. Uh, uh, no! Oh my god, I almost just fell and I almost cracked my neck. Uh, no! I almost just fell. Oh my god, I just saved myself from falling. Hey, that should be a song. I saved myself from falling. I almost fell the top. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Suck the charge before you blow. If you don't, you're gonna poop. Eeny, meeny, and I. Okay. This looks amazing so far. Let's get some. Where is it? Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Let's do this. Now let's put the glass panes here. Okay. uh, 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 uh. Alright, so now we have that in the way. And now we're just gonna, build some more stuff here. Okay. Bro, tell me if I should have these people more inside of my videos. I don't know if I should or not. Hey, no, you have the wrong door. We're supposed to have, no. Let's have first its right door. This is a better door. No. No. Uh, 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 uh. Let's drop, let's do this drop right here. Oh no. Bro, what's the sound? Bro, okay, this man is literally fluffy, dude. Let's go right back into the Discord. Hello? I finished building the door. Do you want to switch the door? Oh my god, dude, what is that noise? Alright, I'm gonna put this as I'm gonna put iron as a roof. Alright. Uh, uh, uh. Are you on Discord on your phone or something? Oh. Why was my voice echoing then? Are you sick? Oh wait, never mind. If you are, never mind. Eh. I made a video dedicated to you. Remember I pranked you in school? Yeah. I made a video dedicated to that. Watch that video blow up to millions of views. Do you want me to take down that video? Or should I leave it on the... Should I delete it off my channel and make it only on Charge Does Crap? I'm gonna delete the video on my channel, and guys, if you want to see that video, go on Charge Does Crap, my new amazing channel. I wonder what Doge is thinking right now as we speak. I wonder. I don't think he even has Discord. I don't think he even uses Discord. Okay, what should I put here? I don't actually want to. Okay, I'm gonna talk to you guys now. Okay, what should I put here? I think I should put like a furnace somewhere in here. Okay, no, put a furnace that way. And yeah. Okay. No. Okay, there. We can also have a crafting table inside of those. I think that would be a good idea. Should the floor be red? I think it should be white. I think white is the choice for it. Okay, let's go back into. Let's keep the floors white. Good. This looks so good so far, dude. Like, what the heck? Oh wait, I forgot to have something. We forgot something. I don't know how we're supposed to do this, but we can. Oh, we can just make it like this. No. Oh wait, never mind. That's already there. Oh, we can make like a little chandelier. But dude, this looks so good. Whoever thought that people in Roblox Minecraft can ever build something like this? But then if you're a bad boy, these have dude, okay. Okay. Alright. So now we have a little bit of light in here. So we have now we can have an enchantment table here. Okay. We can put it in like the middle or something, I don't know. No, wait, never mind. We can have like 3 enchantment tables over here. And we can have like a little bench somewhere. Where are the benches? I think the benches are over here. Okay. Let's get the trees, something where oh, maybe there's like a little tree over here. Do you know, like in my house, I don't know about you guys, your guys' house, but I have like a little tree I have when I first come in. So you can see a little tree. So that's what this is. Now when you first walk in, you can have like little tree. Oh god, no. A little tree. Okay, you know what? Now that I think about it, I don't want these. Okay. For a second I thought someone left and I was like, no, wait, what? So now when you first walk in, okay, first I just want to add like a little like area over here that you can come in because I want like a little entrance area. Okay. So now when you like first walk in, you have like all the. Wait, I got an idea. Okay, I'm gonna ask him. First. Do you wanna build a little basement? Let's put it outside. I'm building it right now. Wait, build it. We're, we're gonna put the basement up here, and now we're gonna, yeah, we're just gonna put them all over here. Okay, so now we're gonna put some more. Guys, if you want a link to this VIP server, if you guys want to help us, remember guys, you're not allowed to abuse the server or wreck any houses or anything if you come in, because yeah, we're putting a lot of work into this. Okay, so I think that's enough first. Now we can like make the actual basement. So usually the basement could be like this, and now we can like, yeah. Make the basement. This is a good basement. Guys, I'm gonna make a part 2 to this. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to smash a like, and goodbye. Hope you enjoyed.